Hey guys, you're on Piggy's 13 and look at what I got. This is an Onforu waterproof LED strip lights. Yep, those trendy strip lights that you see all over social media. It comes in a pack of not one, not two, but three. And the lights have a 50,000 plus hour lifespan. And it's energy saving. I love that they're waterproof because I'm from Florida and it rains a lot in Florida. You won't even believe when I tell you how much they cost. They cost 23 bucks. You can find them on Amazon, you know, if you got Amazon Prime, they got that free Prime shipping, and then you could also get it on their website. Oh, and by the way, let me tell you about their sale too. $49.2 feet for $23. That's a bargain. I'm buying. Take my card. Time to unbox it. These look like super cool futuristic CDs. And what lights them up is this. It comes with an installation guide. And it comes with the key points of installation. I love how it comes with extra tape, guys. This is the 3M double coated tissue tape. And it comes with these things as well. Here's your light. And then here's this thing. You see how it curves? You put it like this, then you're gonna grab the little screw that comes with the box. And then you're gonna screw, I'm easily able to install my lights by myself. I don't gotta pay a professional, and the lights are connectable. And you screw them together. So I was thinking, guys, when people walk through my door, I want the first thing they see. See along that white edge? My fancy dinner table. Or they could see the lights right here. I love scrolling on social media and seeing videos and pictures of people posting inspirational interior design or room decorating ideas, and I always see strip lights. I love strip lights. They make any room in your house look super cool.
The reason why I'm cutting pieces of the paper and not fully removing the paper is because if I decide to take the lights down and move them to a different location in my house, I'm able to take them off and be able to stick them somewhere else in my house.